A dissertation is a comprehensive research paper that must be written and submitted as part of the requirements for obtaining a bachelor's, PhD, master's, doctoral, or various other degrees. Crafting a dissertation can be challenging, particularly when faced with the daunting process of initiating it effectively. It is essential to recognize that several factors, including the chosen topic, in-depth research on the subject, geographical focus, pattern, formatting, emphasis on critical points, and numerous other considerations, influence the structuring of a dissertation. For example, suppose your dissertation revolves around experimental research. In that case, it should encompass the title, introduction, literature review, methodology, discussion of results, proposals, editing and proofreading, and conclusion. It becomes mandatory for students to seek help with assignment from professional writers to ensure the dexterity of their dissertation. The process of crafting a dissertation involves several crucial steps to establish a well-structured document. It begins with selecting a suitable topic, followed by creating a research proposal, collecting data, conducting analysis, and finally presenting recommendations and conclusions. Developing a dissertation demands intellectual rigor, calling for extensive patience, hard work, and comprehensive research from diverse sources. Studies indicate that while many students embark on this journey confidently, a significant number face challenges that prevent completion. Factors such as limited time, insufficient research funding, and inadequate writing skills often hinder their progress, leading to incomplete dissertations. We hope that you found this video helpful to structure a dissertation. For dissertation writing help or proofread your dissertation, you can connect with our expert writers. Simply visit us at dissertationhomework.com, or you can share your requirement at 44-78427-98340. Till then, keep learning, and we will see you in the next video.